tomorrow is our Cat in the Hat celebration, but we're reading Cat in the Hat books all week long. So let's sing our Days of the Week song, and then we're going to have to figure out what. Oh, I don't think I attached it. Oh, I did. Look at me go. I'm so good. Days of the Week. Clap those hands. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the Week. Clap those hands. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the Week. 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 All right, we're going to start off with the 4-leaf clover, which I don't know if can you make that cloning? Yep. Grab it. We're going to put the 4-leaf clover for today, the start of our pattern. And Wednesday we have no school. We're going to grab that. All right. What kind of weather do we have outside today, Daycare? Rain. Rainy. All right, let's make a prediction for tomorrow's weather. Rainy again? Did anybody see the fog? It was foggy. All those clouds on the ground. Sunny with We'll have to see what happens tomorrow. All right. Listening ears on, and let's say our alphabet. Here we go. Sing it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, let's count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, ready? Here we go. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, we're sitting on our bottoms. We're crisscross applesauce. Listening ears. Okay, we're going to look at some shapes. Let's find some shapes. All right, we're moving on to our nursery rhyme. It's Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Good. Put that hand up. Breathe out. What does the letter H say? And you feel that air going onto my hand because I'm making the sound the letter H makes. All right. We have a house. A helicopter. And who's this? Hulk. All start with the letter H. All right, let's stand up and think about where we start our letters. Why didn't it go? There it goes. Ooh, we're really slow today. Two letters at the top. If you want a song, then you better remember to reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Now it's the bottom. Now it's the middle. It's the top.
Start your letters at the top.
Okay.
Where do you start your letter?
That was a weird song.
All right, we're sitting on our bottoms, crisscross applesauce. We're going to go ahead and make the letter H.
All right, friends, we start with our big line down. Do we put it over Mr. Matt's face? No, we put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Big line down. Then we grab our other big line and we do a frog jump over. Big line down. Then we take our little line and we put it in the middle. Good job. So we have built the letter H. All right, my turn. So your voices are turned off. Your hands are in your lap. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. My turn one more time. Big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. Your turn. Fingers up. Good job. And we say, big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. What letter did we build? H. And what does H say? Good job. One more time. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Can't hear you. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. All right, my friends, that is the end of our circle time. Thank you for joining us